How to use Algo Affiliates Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Algo Affiliates is a powerful platform for managing affiliate marketing campaigns, but beginners often make costly mistakes. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not setting clear campaign goals. Most people get this wrong by jumping straight into tracking links and promotions without defining objectives. Decide whether you want leads, sales, or clicks, and structure your campaigns accordingly. Second mistake, ignoring tracking and analytics. You won't believe how many users neglect the reporting tools. Algo Affiliates provides detailed analytics on clicks, conversions, and traffic sources. Regularly reviewing these metrics allows you to optimize campaigns and increase ROI. Third mistake, mismanaging offers and creatives. The surprising truth is that poor at creatives or irrelevant offers can tank performance. Always test multiple creatives, titles, and landing pages to see what resonates with your audience. Fourth mistake, neglecting compliance and fraud prevention. Beginners sometimes overlook affiliate rules or allow suspicious traffic. Algo Affiliates includes fraud detection tools. Use them to maintain account health and avoid penalties. Finally, not automating workflows is common. Algo Affiliates supports automated campaign scheduling, split testing, and notifications. Using these features saves time and ensures campaigns run smoothly without constant manual oversight. Using Algo Affiliates properly means setting clear goals, leveraging analytics, optimizing creatives, ensuring compliance, and automating where possible. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll see better performance and higher earnings from your affiliate marketing efforts.